Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Automobile. Anything can happen on the road in just a few seconds. A dash cam acts like an extra set of eyes. It records accidents, parking bumps, or even scenic drives. Today, I'll show you the 5 best dash cams you can buy right now. I'll cover what they do well, a few downsides, and who they're best for. Stick around till the end to pick the right one for your car. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a helpful review. Let's get started. Number 1. Let's start with the first product. This is the 70x4K T800 3-channel dash cam. The 70x T800 is a high-end choice that gives you full coverage with 3 cameras. It records 4K video in the front, another 4K inside, and 1080p in the rear. The Starvis 2 sensor and HDR night mode make day and night clips clear and sharp. With Wi-Fi 6 and 4G LTE, you can quickly share or check your videos on your phone. A big plus is the 512GB card, which gives long hours of storage. ADAS driver alerts and parking mode add more safety. Pros: amazing video detail and very fast file transfers. Cons: higher cost than budget models. Who it's for: people who want the best quality and smart features. Final verdict: if you want total peace of mind and can spend more, this dash cam is a smart pick. Number 2. Next up, the second product on our list is the WOLFBOX X5 3-channel 4K HDR dash cam. The WOLFBOX X5 is built for drivers who want easy use with strong quality. It records the front in 4K HDR, the cabin in 2.5K, and the rear in 1080p. Thanks to the Starvis 2 sensor, night clips are bright and clear. It comes with GPS to track routes, a 128GB card for storage, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. The touch screen is smooth, and voice control makes driving safer since you don't need to press buttons. Pros: easy hands-free use and sharp low-light video. Cons: it is a bit large, which may block more of your windshield. Who it's for: drivers who love tech and want comfort and safety in one device. Final verdict: the WOLFBOX X5 blends power with ease of use, making it a strong all-rounder. Number 3. Now let's take a look at the third product, the REDTIGER 530° dash cam 3-channel. This dash cam is special because it gives super wide coverage. It records 2.5K front, 2.5K inside, and 1080p rear, for a total of 530 degrees. That means fewer blind spots. The IR night vision makes cabin clips bright even in total darkness. This is great for taxi or rideshare drivers. It also has GPS, Wi-Fi, a touch screen, and 24-hour parking mode. Pros: very wide view and clear cabin video at night. Cons: big files mean storage fills faster, so you may need a larger card. Who it's for: anyone who wants near full coverage around their car. Final verdict: if you want to record everything on the road and inside, this dash cam is a top choice. Number 4. Coming in at number 4, we have a product that's simple yet powerful. The 4K 3-channel dash cam with app control. This model records sharp 4K video in the front and covers the cabin and rear with wide angles of 170 degrees, 150 degrees, and 140 degrees. Features include ADAS driver assist, GPS, WDR, G-sensor, and strong no-light night vision. The included 128GB card handles daily driving needs. The app makes it easy to view or share clips on your phone. The compact build is neat and not too bulky. Pros: handy app use and clear videos in dark spots. Cons: the brand is less known, so long-term support may be unclear. Who it's for: budget-conscious drivers who still want modern features. Final verdict: this dash cam proves you can get strong value without a high price tag. Number 5. And finally, the last but definitely not least product on our list is the REDTIGER dash cam front rear, F7NP. The F7NP is a budget-friendly option that still gives clear video. It records 4K in the front and 2.5K in the rear. It comes with a 32GB card, so you can use it right away. The 3.16-inch IPS screen is bright and easy to read. With Wi-Fi and GPS built in, you can manage videos quickly. It also has night vision, WDR, and a wide 170 degrees lens for solid coverage. Parking mode keeps your car safe when it's off. Pros: simple setup and good value with the included card. Cons: only 2 channels, so it misses cabin footage. Who it's for: everyday drivers who want simple use and solid quality. Final verdict: for a fair price, this dash cam covers the basics well and won't let you down. I share helpful videos every day, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications. All product links and updated prices are in the description. If you have questions, comment below, I'll reply. We've researched to save you time and money, so you can confidently pick the best product. That's our list of 5 dash cams you can trust. Each has its strengths, so choose based on your budget and needs. Which one do you like most? Comment below and let's chat. And of course, like, share, and subscribe for more reviews. Drive safe.